Now that's funny. His name was Getsung, I think, something like that. And when we came, they didn't like the name, so they made it Getsoff. Do you want to hear something funny that happened to me here recently? I was at an organization meeting, and a person I hadn't known or seen was sitting next to me. So I introduced myself, and I said, and what is your name? She says, my name is Paula Gets On. I said, really? And my name is Sarah Gets Off. So we had a good laugh from that. So that was Gets Off. And that was quite a name. The only time I used that to my advantage is in public school. I ran for judge. So you have to make a speech. So I remember I said, make Sarah Gets Off, Gets On. So that I had to get used to it till I got married and it became Tepper. I had to get used to that.